Hello everyone. Hope you all are well in this COVID pandemic situation. And today I'm going to analyze harisanmar.com website reviews, and we'll also discuss, is harisanmar.com a scam or legit? So I think you're able to see the homepage of this website. Even you can enjoy the free express shipping on orders over $30. So guys, I think this is one of the most amazing deals that you can get. And now let's take a look at the featured collection of the products the website is dealing with. So basically, this is an online store from the United States where you can find a car atmosphere lamp, interior ambient starlight, harp-east wheel, 4x4 RC rock crawler, and another products. So take a look at the products, and you will get different discounts on different products, guys. So I think this is the best thing about this website. And now let's go ahead with the full details of this website. So here we can see the contact us and like various payment method, return policy options, but I'm not able to see the contact us information here. Yeah, absolutely. So the contact information is missing on this website, like email is missing and office address is also missing. And when it comes to payment method, so let's take a look on the payment method option. Yeah, so you can connect your PayPal credit card, debit card or bank account to PayPal for purchasing any product. Okay, so after submitting an order, you will be redirected to PayPal to complete the transaction. So basically, you can make the payment via PayPal, but there is no support email. So let's take a look at the About Us page. I'm not able to click this. Let's take a look on return policy. So I'm not able to click this option. And what about shipping information? So let's take a look on shipping information. So I'm not able to click this option here. So let's go to the menu. Yeah, so return policy. So here you can find the return policy. So the website accepts return of products, and the customers have the right to apply for a return within 14 days after the receipt of the product. But as guys you can see, there is no support email. So I think this is one of the major drawbacks of this website, because you can't contact the executives of this website. And let's begin with shipping information. Yeah, so at this option you can find the shipping information. So basically the shipping duration depends upon your location, and the free shipping is like 12 to 20 days, and the duration of standard shipping is 12 to 20 days. And guys, the duration of VIP shipping is 3 to 7 days, but the charges are more, like $15.99. So it depends upon you, it's your choice, like what type of shipping you want. Now let's take another look. Here you can find the terms of service of this website. You can read the entire information if you want. So I think due to the missing address and contact information, I can't say like the website is verified, because the details are missing here. So if you want to share your experience, then you can comment on this website. I think I have done with the entire information, the entire review. So if you want to purchase any product, then you can get up to 50% off. as well as 75% off on this product, like wireless LED logo, welcome atmosphere light. So this is, I think, the best thing. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Good luck. Thank you so much.